Hello traders, the title of the video is how to improve a 2-hour chart day trading like a pro. Do you use the 2-hour time frame for day trading? Alright, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can improve the 2-hour chart day trading like a pro. I need to remind traders that are very new to us that when I'm using the word like a pro, we are talking about using a different time frame trading strategy. On the 2-hour time frame, we are looking for the trading setup, and then we use the 15-minute time frame for the signal and the 3-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame for the entry. So 2-hour time frame, trading setup, 15-minute time frame for the signal, either 3-minute or 5-minute for the entry. Alright, let's begin the demonstration and about how to improve the 2-hour chart day trading like a pro. As a TSTW24 trader, we use the 2-hour time frame for the TSTW24 trading system day trading. All right, but I will not reveal a confidential material here in this tutorial, but rest assured that I will show you how you can improve your 2-hour chart day trading like a pro. The first thing that you need to do, in fact, this video is a 2-part video that I'm going to combine into one video. So the first part, a lot of TSTW24 traders already know about it, but the second part, I will be talking about another trick that you can use for the 2-hour time frame, a day trading. I personally like the 2-hour time frame because it is the signal time frame for the weekly chart. We can use also the 4-hour time frame for the weekly chart, but we can also use the 2-hour time frame for the signal of the weekly chart trading setup. So one of the reasons why I like the 2-hour time frame is because it is the signal time frame for the weekly chart. It is also the signal time frame for the 2-day chart. Alright, 2-day. Alright, so TC2000, you see this is 2-day chart. Instead of the daily chart, 2-day chart. The signal time frame for the 2-day chart is also the 2-hour time frame. The daily chart, the signal time frame is the hourly time frame, and the 2-day chart, the signal time frame is the 2-hour time frame. So you have two groups of market participants, those who are using the weekly chart and those who are using the 2-day chart, are all focusing on the 2-hour time frame for their trading signal. So for day trading purposes, the 2-hour time frame is a very, very important a time frame if we want to improve our day trading. So what I want to show you first is that you go to the 2-hour time frame, all right? As I told TSTW24 traders, we draw all the key levels on the 2-hour time frame. That's the first thing. Here they are. So I'm going to go very fast, all right? So I'm drawing. So it's probably change direction here, change direction here. I'm going to go very fast. There is another one here, another one here, and another one here, all right, very fast, all right? So you may say there's another one here, almost the median line between these two lines here. Then we will also draw the trend lines, all right? Remember, do you use TSTW24 trading system? And then we do also this. All right, so I have a channel here. We can project that channel up to the upside or to the downside. And I can also draw a very fast trend line like this on my 2-hour time frame, and that's it. I'm done. Right? So those are the key levels on the 2-hour time frame. So once we have those lines on the 2-hour time frame, we have drawn them on the 2-hour time frame. If you are looking, we will look for a trading setup on the 2-hour time frame. So for instance, if you were here, see that the price form a double bottom chart pattern here is a bullish chart pattern, all right? You will go to the 15-minute time frame looking for the signal in the vicinity of one of those lines that we have drawn on the 2-hour time frame. Or better if you were here and you see that the price retest the top of the declining channel on the 2-hour time frame. Now you're going to switch. If you were here, you will switch to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, looking for weaknesses. Again here, people will switch to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, because this is a bearish trading setup, price in the declining channel, forming lower lows, lower high. Now it retesting the top of the the trend line, the bearish trend line on the 2-hour time frame. Now we switch to the 15-minute time frame, looking for signal here, and then we'll go to the 3-minute time frame to enter the trade. So we are looking for a trading setup on or near one of those lines that we have drawn on the 2-hour time frame before we switch to the 15-minute time frame, okay, to look for the signal. Here you can see that the price was consolidating this session here in this zone. All right, so professional selling on the top of the consolidation. So at that point in time, if the price is as it was here, you have it here on you have your line ready. So you go now to your 15-minute time frame and you will look for a signal in the vicinity of that red line. Okay, and again here price consolidating on the 2-hour time frame. That's a trading setup on the 2-hour time frame. Now from here, when we were here, you will switch to the 15-minute time frame and then looking for a signal, and then you go to the 3-minute time frame to enter the trade. So this is one example that one can use, okay, one strategy one can use, okay, to improve, okay, a day trading on the 2-hour time frame. And most of the TSTW24 traders already know this. But the second part of this tutorial, what we want to do, instead of drawing those lines on the 2-hour time frame, we will go instead to the weekly chart. So you may say, George, you are talking about 2-hour time frame day trading. Why do you need to go to the weekly chart? The reason is, as I explained to you, the 2-hour time frame is, okay, the signal time frame for the weekly chart and also the 2-day chart. So instead of drawing a line on the 2-hour time frame, we will go instead to the weekly chart. So now I'm going to the weekly chart. Stay with me, my friend. So now we're on a weekly chart, and we'll do exactly the same thing we have done first on the 2-hour time frame. This is more, okay, reliable than using the 2-hour time frame itself. So now again, I'm just drawing lines. So I have a channel, okay. So this point and this point allow me to draw the first line. I'm just selecting this point here, and I draw another line that is parallel. What has happened here, professional did projected the width of that channel using market geometry on a weekly chart. All right, and then they project it up like this. So they have drawn another trend line like this. So all I'm doing on the weekly chart, I'm mapping out, so to speak, okay, the weekly chart one more time as I did on the, okay, a 2-hour time frame. So I can connect this point, you see this point, and this one here, this point, and this one, okay. So I have all this line drawn on my weekly chart. So here it is, another line here, connecting this point and this one here, and I can draw another line like this on my weekly chart. Here it is. So I'm connecting this one and this one. So I can put a bit of color into it so I can know which line is which one. So I can just go like this. I'll leave the channel in blue and color them. All right, that's how I'm doing on the weekly chart. And then once I finish to do that, because now I have all my lines on the weekly chart. Okay, hold on please, one more line here. There's a horizontal key level. Try to form a double top here and try to retest it here. This is also a key level on the weekly chart. Just drawing them out. This here is changing direction. It's almost retesting it here. And there's a resistor in this zone on the weekly chart. Put them there. So all these lines, I'm put them already on my mapping of the chart on the weekly chart. You see now, I'm done. And there's another one here. Just do as many as you can. Okay, here it is. One more. Okay. Color this one into pink to please the ladies that can trade better than men. Now I map out my weekly chart. Then from the weekly chart, what am I doing? I'm going back now to the 2-hour time frame. So what I'm looking for, so you see all these lines that I have on a 2-hour time frame, I have drawn them on a weekly chart. So you see now, you see the pink line, that's where we are now. If you go back to the weekly chart, you can know which line is that. This one, you see here. All right, and all I'm looking for, now that I've switched to the 2-hour time frame, where are we? All right, I'll be looking for trading setup on the 2-hour time frame near one of those key line. Once I see one, I will now use, okay, I will go to the 15-minute time frame for the signal, and I will use the 3-minute time frame for the entry. As we did before, we draw the line on the 2-hour time frame, and then we go to the 15-minute time frame, and then we use the 3-minute time frame for the entry. For the second part, we are drawing a line on the weekly chart instead of the 2-hour time frame, and then we switch to the 2-hour time frame, looking for a trading setup if there is one near one of those key levels. All right, there's nothing showing here now. All right, if there's something taking place like this one here, see, if you were here, you will see that this is a double top at that key level that we have drawn on the weekly chart. So you will be interested in this trade here, double top at a key level that we have drawn on the weekly chart. Here again, we have, if you were here, you will notice that there is a double bottom almost near this one here, and you will be interested to trade that. So when you see that this on the 2-hour time frame, now you go to the 50-minute time frame for the signal, and you go to the 3-minute time frame for the entry. This is how one can improve the 2-hour chart day trading like a pro. To summarize the video, the first step, either you go to the 2-hour time frame, you draw all the key support and resistance level and trend line, and then you look for trading setup on the same time frame, 2-hour time frame. And if you identify a high probability trading setup on or near one of those key levels that we have drawn on the 2-hour time frame itself, we will now switch to the 50-minute time frame for the signal, and then we go to the 3-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame for the entry. The second part of this tutorial, instead of drawing those key support and resistance level and trend line on the 2-hour time frame, we do not use the 2-hour time frame. We go directly to the weekly chart. We draw them as I did now, and then we come back to the 2-hour time frame looking for trading setup in the vicinity of one of those weekly chart key level. If you identify one of a high probability trading setup now on the 2-hour time frame, we'll now go to the 15-minute time frame for the signal, and we'll go to the 3-minute time frame for the entry. This is the end of the tutorial about how to improve 2-hour chart day trading like a pro. As I explained to you, the 2-hour time frame is a very important time frame because it's the signal time frame for the weekly chart and also for the 2-day chart. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you think that this video has been useful to you, feel free to give us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another blah blah blah, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. But if you think this is an essential tutorial for day traders, traders that are using the 2-hour time frame, traders that want to improve their day trading on the 2-hour time frame, feel free. You are doing us a big favor by sharing it. All right, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to improve a 2-hour chart day trading like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.